In this example, we have a well that intersects two individual layers and is partially perforated in both. A single production rate test was conducted on the well, during which the well was logged, followed by a shut-in. The production log interpretation has already been performed using Emerald. Before we go into a multi-layer analysis, let us first extract the buildup and perform a simple single-layer analysis to get an idea of the overall system behavior and parameters. We match the analysis tools to the derivative and generate the model. The production logs show that the entire perforated interval is producing. So we remove the perforation length as well as the radial permeability from the regression parameters, deselect the points at the end of the derivative, and improve on the model to get a better match. Let us now duplicate this analysis and start adding the layer information we have. We declare the analysis as multi-layer and confirm the layer thicknesses. In the Analytical Model dialog, we define the well model in each layer as limited entry and enter the location and length of each perforation. Once the model is generated, we regress on the skin and anisotropy in each layer to match the model to the data on the log-lot plot. At this stage, we have a good match on the log-lot and history plot. However, on closer examination, we see that both layers have the same properties. To improve our understanding of the individual layer properties, we need to load additional layer rate data. Since an Emerald interpretation is available, we use the KAPPA-Workstation browser to drag and output the production schematic log into Sapphire. The log can be viewed under the Reference Logs tab. To assign production rates from this log to each layer, we go to the Layer Rates dialog and simply click on the production log icon. We specify the time during which the log was run and validate. Sapphire picks the rates from the log at the top of each layer and automatically assigns them to the corresponding layer in the analysis. The input rates appear on the layer's rates plot along with the simulated model response. They show clearly that although the overall system response matches well with the data, individual layer properties are not correct. Now that we have this extra information, we can use it to regress on individual layer parameters as skin and permeability, while keeping the overall system response the same. As we can see from the results, this additional information allowed us to identify the contrast and layer properties that would still give us the same overall response. This ends this video on multi-layer analysis with production logging rates. Another video is available on multi-layer transient rate analysis.